I'll keep it straight, like, advice to someone who wants to get started in building games. Like, what would you advise someone who's like right now in your position when you were back in
Hmm.
2020? People who still figuring out like what they should do, or if game development is right thing. How should they get started?
So, if you are thinking of getting into game development, so firstly, you need to check out whether you are a right fit for it. During my time, I didn't get much of the time, to explore, to check out whether I'm really a right fit. I just had 2 weeks of trial at Outscale, and I took a chance. I got into the course, and eventually it was the right decision. But it might not work out for everyone. Outscale has its own scholarship launchpad,
Okay. So Outscale,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
so we are actually
That's your
coming up
department.
with a new program called Launchpad that actually helps you to test out if you are, made for game development or not. So
Mhm.
this is going to be the second cohort for Launchpad, where we are having like 15-day tightly packed value-added sessions where you get to start building games, interact with a lot of community members, talk to game developers inside the community, and we are giving it out on 100% scholarship. So
Yep, yep,
that's like you had trial back then where it was pretty simple. There was more of a one-way thing in the trial that
yeah,
you had back then. This time it's more engaging, where they surely get to connect with the mentors, the other candidates who are willing to go through Launchpad, but now they also get to connect with people like you inside the community who have been
yep.
through this journey already, and who are right now active members of either one of the full stack game development program, or who have graduated already. So that's the
So,
whole
this is the
thought
thing
behind it.
which I found missing. When I started off doing course at Outscale, whether to check out whether I'm really a right fit.
Hmm.
So, for the ones who are now looking into getting into the gaming industry, so this is a great opportunity for you guys, to
Yep.
check out, to explore and to see, what it is actually building games.
Yep.
So, explore it and eventually get into it. So,
Totally. Yep. Like, you are not betting a lot of things if you are entering Launchpad. B, like,
mhm.
it's actually gonna give you the taste if you can become game
Correct,
developer or not.
correct, correct.
And
Mhm.
plus, the 100% scholarship is out there, but it's
Yep.
only for those who are actually dedicated for it.